Hi, it's a rainy Saturday and we drove all the way to St Andrews to hunt for some bargains. I think St Andrews has got some of the best charity shops. Let me know in the comments below, where do you think are the best charity shops? Anyway, if you haven't been to St Andrews, you'll hopefully get some impressions of this lovely town. And at the end of the video, you'll see why I actually wanted to come to St Andrews, and spoiler alert, it was not the charity shops. Oh, look. That looks nice, huh? Can you make like wood stuff? Can you? Jäger?
What's that?
It's a bloody good brand.
Jaeger?
No, it's not Jäger. Oh, that's you. That's for me, no?
How is it?
What is this? A scarf?
It's jammies.
No, it's not jammies. No, it's not jammies, Ian. It's not jammies. Yeah, take. No, what is this? It's Jäger. Eh? Say 6. Okay, well.
What are you doing there?
We don't need it.
You don't need.
Thanks.
Have you ever been in there?
In there?
So bloody expensive.
No.
Bloody hell. So lovely things, but very expensive. Yeah, go on then. Sorry. Yeah.
And there was
Is that another one? Oh, that's where we had a drink the last time. Yeah. No, that was the summer, the first time we came, or Ian had been to, what's it called? Oh, to Cooper. I think it's closed. It's closed. Well, obviously we had to stop to get my favourite scones at the end of our wee trip. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!